This is how you create a shortcut to selfie mode on your camera. Normally, you'd have to swipe down, open the camera app, see where it loads, tap on this button to get to selfie mode, which is fine unless you're in a real hurry, which happens sometimes. Sometimes you just want to get there quick. What I'm going to show you right now just takes one tap on a button on the home screen. Super simple. We're going to do this using shortcuts. That's the Shortcuts app right there. You can find it on your home screen, or you can come into the Spotlight search, which is this area here, type in short, and it'll show up. Even SHOR, it'll show up. Tap on it to open it. You'll end up on the library page. You'll see all your shortcuts here. If you're not on the library page, just tap on it in the bottom corner here. And then tap on the plus icon in the top right. Let's give this a name. I'm going to call it Selfie. And keep in mind, this can be used for any camera settings. So that we're using Selfie as an example, but you could use this to quickly go into slow motion video, time-lapse video, whatever you want. Whatever camera settings you want can be just one tap on the home screen. Let's call that Selfie. I'm going to search here for camera. There it is right there. Tap on that to add it. Tap on open camera. And we're going to tap on the mode to pick the mode that we want. And here are all the options. And these are one tap, as I was saying. So you can have selfie and portrait selfie. Portrait selfie is the one that fades out the background or blurs it out. Let's go do regular selfie. Now I'm going to tap on the share button. I'm going to tap on add to home screen. I'm going to see if there's a camera icon or a selfie icon. There's definitely a camera. I'll add that. Keep it as the color blue. That's fine. And you can put this wherever you want. You could have a whole page full of different shortcuts on your home screen or a folder. And now if I tap on this, it just goes right into selfie mode with one tap. Super simple, super fast. And like I said, you can do this with any video mode, so it's really handy. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, or if you have, you should probably do it again. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.